Ayan guys, so nandito kami sa Grand Hyatt para umattend ng Gala Night. Hi guys, happy evening sa lahat ng mga viewers natin and sa lahat ng mga leaders ng OHP community. And right now, nandito tayo sa loob ng Grand Hyatt dito sa may Taguig para celebrate ang Top 500. And isa tayo sa na-award ng Top 500. So, Gala Night ng EC. Hi guys, happy morning and happy afternoon. Happy evening sa lahat ng mga viewers natin all over the world. And right now, nandito tayo sa Grand Hyatt dito sa BGC Taguig to celebrate our Gala Night EC Top 500 Distributor for 2023. And isa tayo sa mapalad na naging part ng celebration na to. Isa tayo sa Top 500 ng Empowered Consumerism. Ang nakakatuwa lang kasi before guys, tagapanood lang tayo, tagapakinig, taga-observe lang ng mga ganitong event. But right now, kasama na po tayo sa mga ganitong events, sa mga ganitong awarding sa company namin sa Alliance Emotion Global. And isa lang yung masasabi ko na kailangan lang talaga maniwala ka sa sarili mo, tumuloy ka lang, ipaglaban mo yung pangarap mo kasi one day, yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa'yo, yung mga iniisip mo na mga bagay-bagay na nakikita mo na gusto mong mangyari sa'yo, mangyayari talaga sa'yo. Ang pinaka-importante kasi sa lahat guys ay maniwala ka, believe. Kaya nga ang title ng namin tema this year 2024, I believe. So napaka-importante ng belief system mo sa sarili mo na dapat naniniwala ka talaga. Ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo right now, ano man yung mga challenges, mga problems na kinakaharap mo right now, for me, okay yan, maganda yan kasi pampatibay sa iyo yan. Diyan ka mag-grow, diyan ka gagaling, diyan ka magiging wise ka dyan. And ilaban mo lang talaga, ituloy mo lang yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Kung ano man yung nakita mo na pwede mangyari sa dito, paniwalaan mo lang kasi one day, lagi ko po ulitin, isang araw, matutupad lahat ng gusto mo, lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa'yo, mangyayari sa'yo. Kaya guys, syempre, enjoy muna natin yung araw na to, enjoy natin yung moment na to para makipag-celebrate kasama yung Hall of Famer, kasama yung mga may-ari, kasama yung Top 500, kapwa ko tayo bubble tayo, kapwa Top 500, at syempre yung mga Top 20. So, maniwala ka lang talaga sa sarili mo. One day, ikaw naman ang makaka-experience. Right now, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung venue namin dito sa Grand Hyatt para makita nyo din, ma-observe nyo din, masilip nyo din kung ano po yung meron dito sa loob. Let's go! And guys, so magsisimula na yung event natin. Pwesto na tayo.
With the power of teamwork, dedication, and unwavering commitment to excellence. As we reflect on the 18 remarkable years, let us be one in prayer.
Rejoice and be glad tonight. As you have gathered at cream of the crop of Alliance Emotion Global, we thank you for 18 wonderful years of your faithfulness. Father, bless the board of directors, empower continually our CEO President, Dr. Ed Cabantog, bless his family, Doc Connie and the children. Thank you, dear God, because we will continue to prosper. And like the eagle, we will soar with wings and will never be tired. We will walk and never be weary. Thank you, dear God, for 18 wonderful years. And tonight, as we celebrate and party, we honor you and thank you. Blessings go to everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I think you're quite wrong when it comes to the voice. So, just excuse my one beautiful voice for tonight. Maybe this is partly a result of the very nice celebration that we did last night. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate all of us for our 18th anniversary. Please give it a round of applause.
What this means, ladies and gentlemen,
This means that the Philippines is so full of hope because AIM Global's best leaders are in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao already. And
So yan guys, dinner na. Kasi syempre gutom na yung mga tao. So ito yung area ng dinner natin. So ayan guys, pila kanina ni mentor ito. No rice kami, no rice. No rice, so ayan. Doon tayo. Yes. So medyo nakapila tayo dito kasi maraming kumakain. Alright. So nakapila tayo dito sa beef. Sarap. So ayan guys, finally nakakuha na kami ng food namin. Ayan. Siyempre, biro lang yung kaninang walang rice. Rice din pag may time. Up. Yun up. Ano? Yung plano? Kaya ba yan? Kaya ba yan? Kaya ba yan? Ano to? Ano to? Hindi lang kami to. Isang pila. Isang pila. Ay, bakit sa ibang kamay na lasa? Bakit? Paano sa akin? Yan daw lagi nila. Yan daw lagi. So yan guys, ikan ba tayo? Dessert tayo, dessert. Pampawala ng umay.
years, 1 year, 6 months, 8 months, but the fact that you are part of the 500 top distributors of Alliance and Motion Global.
Happy anniversary, guys. Happy anniversary. Take a seat. Top 500, 18th year anniversary. These are the two memorable numbers of this night. To be part of the top 500 and to be part of history as in 18th year of our journey. Now, our host is intrigued enough to have mentioned a lot of stuff with regards to our industry, with regards to our business, with regards to our network. You always have an option. Choose. You have always had an option to choose whatever endeavor there might be, whether offline or online, whether focused sa prospects sa Philippines or OFW, whether prospects sa Filipinos or ibang lahi. Pag ibang lahi, West Africa or East Africa. Pag Filipinos na OFW, US or Europe, there's always a lot of options to ponder, always a lot of options to take part in a certain journey. For the past 18 years, yung options sa akin, hindi ganun. Because I know the path. Mag-international, mag-OFW, mag-expand, mag-innovate. It's always automated. Nasa isipan ko sa dalawang katawan ko. How to manage people, how to give directions. Like this very moment, who would ever thought na sa top 500 ngayon ay mas madami ang mga Bisaya kaysa mga Tagalog? Magigay naman ng mga Bisaya dyan. During the first few years when we were doing our gala night, majority, 18-90%, Metro Manila. May mangilan-ngilan na pumupunta from Cebu, from Bohol, from Cagayan de Oro, from Davao, mangilan-ngilan. Yun yung ginamit kong term. Who would ever thought that people from the Visayas, from the Mindanao area, will come here by plane, by boat, by bulk? And according to the data we have right now, amongst the top 500, roughly 55 to 60% Visayas, Mindanao. Kaya nakakatuwa, we have a program. We started this sometime 3-4 months ago. Gusto namin yung mga leaders sa Visayas, Mindanao, sinulat pa nga namin sa whiteboard. Pinicturean pa namin. Pinakita namin sa mga top leaders ng Visayas, Mindanao. Gusto namin na kayo na taga Cebu, taga Cagayan de Oro, taga Mindanao, while you're doing your network, kung tumapos man yung network nyo sa Metro Manila, and we expect na hindi ka naman pupunta ng Metro Manila every week. Tama. Eh, hayaan yung kami na mag-alaga nyo sa grupo nyo. Kaya nga yung grupo ni Tita Flor, nasa si Tita Flor. Ayan, yung mahiwagang grupong ITNCI, LGBTQ, QFC. Kung nakumapot ka ng Metro Manila, di ba din? Umapot ka ng Metro Manila every week, every so often, once a week.
Para sa release ng sexo sa Wednesday, June 3rd, happy kay happy araw na. Kaya nakapagandang sa office para mag-release ng sexo at ilang tayo one weekend sa third floor. Our World Sexo Time!
We have an extraordinary journey. Daming storya. Iba-iba. Ang ending lahat extraordinary.
Yes!
That's why I believe 18 years ago, kung nakita niyo yung video ko on our first year, sabi ko, I had a dream of putting up a company and making it known on an international scale. Second, third, fourth year pa lang, nakapag-expand na sa iba't ibang mga bansa. 8th year, 9th year, 10th year, nakarating ng Middle East, Africa. Ngayon, sunod-sunod ang pagbubukas natin sa African continent. Ngayon, may New Zealand pa. Within the next few months, may UK, London pa. Guys, the reason we keep going, the reason we keep on innovating because we believe that we can do it. On your end, kung naniniwala ka, online o offline man yan, lalaki at lalaki.
Yes!
Lalaki at lalaki. Lalaki at lalaki.
Yes!
We've been brainstorming for the past 3 months. Dati MOA, ang dali-dali punuin. Mag-release ng ticket 2 days bago event. Galit-galit ka, away-away pa. Doon na 3,000 ang hihingi ko, ba't 700 ang binigay mo? Kailangan ko mabigyan lahat. Doon na 1,000 ang binigay ko, ba't 200 ang binigay mo? Kailangan ko mabigyan lahat. Nowadays, post-pandemic, everybody's online. Ang nire-recruitan, may pinagdadaanan naman, you choose to believe that you're a winner.
Yes!
Tonight, with my team, with my partners, I ask all of you to stand up as I honor each and every one of the top 500 Queen of the Crop of Alliance in Motion group of companies.
Yes!
Raise your glass. Raise your glass as we salute for more success and of course more blessings, more lives to enrich, more lives to change forever, more countries to conquer, and more dreams to fulfill. Sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat, happy anniversary, guys! I love you all! I love you all! I love you all! Cheers! Cheers!
Let's take time to appreciate each and everyone's presence. Each handshake and hug tonight symbolizes the respect and gratitude for our shared vision and success. So let's embrace this moment to show our support, to strengthen our connections, and to celebrate our collective success. With a hard coordination and with a prayer of the Filipino. As we move forward together, 500, our board of directors, our